Welcome back. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again, February 2022. Folks, I want to talk about MetaDoge. If you are a subscriber to this channel, you know that I said something about MetaDoge way back in 2021 on Christmas Eve. Now, the thing about it is, that video got so few hits I was surprised, but I wasn't surprised because everybody's talking about Christmas and who wants to talk crypto on Christmas Eve. I want y'all to go back and take a look at that video. Look at what's going on right now. MetaDoge is now up 9,797%. I'm gonna say that again. The video that I did on MetaDoge back in Christmas of around Christmas 2021, okay, and everybody says these crap coins or these meme coins can't make any more money. Here we go, 9,797% in the last 24 hours. How about this? 26,743% over the week. We're going to dig into this just again because they've made some serious upgrades to this site. But just to put that in perspective for the people that don't understand how much that is, okay, if something's 100%, that's 2 times on your money. So if something is 200%, that's 3 times on your money, right? So 900% would be 10 times on your money, okay? This is 9,000%. So 1,000% would be 11 times on your money. This is 9,700%. Okay, so if if 1,000 is 11 times on your money, 9,000 would be what? 90 times on your money? Look, overnight, who says that you can't become a millionaire? Okay, this is serious business. Okay, so let's go over here to MetaDoge. Let's take a look. That's what people subscribe to this channel. You want to get the in, what the possibilities are. You want to get in before it happens. Well, here it is. And oh, by the way, it ain't done yet. I'm gonna have to go back and see what my price prediction was on this. I think we beat it. I didn't know it was going to happen this quick. But let's go ahead and take a look at this MetaDoge Live. Look at this site, folks. Look at what they've done. They done got really freaking serious over here at the MetaDoge site. They're talking about their community, their tools. They've got it looking beautiful. Important announcement. We are migrating to a new contract. Trading will be paused on the evening of Sunday, the 30th of January that's passed. As a holder, no action is required. We will airdrop the new tokens ahead of contract and trading will resume Monday, 31 January. So this is already passed. But folks, you know, I've said before, this is a legit coin. They're all over the big exchanges. Okay, here we are, or I should say the big platforms for talking about crypto, the coin market caps and coin geckos of the world. Okay, and as you can see, they're getting into the NFT thing, and I think they're going to be getting into the gaming thing, okay, if I recall. So the issue is this: how far can we go with so many tokens playing the meme game, the NFT game? Okay, well, looks like you can get almost 90 times on your money. So to those who went the extra mile and figured out how to go and get you some MetaDoge, congratulations. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hey, like, subscribe, and share. Don't miss another one. All right? I'll catch you guys on the next one.